am going to explain my Arduino project, which is potentiometer single LED control. So for this, go to Tinkercad first, click on the first link, go to create and circuit. So this is our surface where we are going to design our project's connection. So in this project, I control the brightness of single LED using potentiometer. By rotating the knob of potentiometer, the LED becomes brighter or dimmer. So it is a potentiometer. In a simple way, we can define it like potentiometer. It is a knob that changes electrical value when we rotate it. This is a knob. When we rotate this knob, the electrical value get changes. So we have examples that we are using our daily life, like volume control in speakers and fan speed regulator. So when we rotate the knob, the resistance changes, and because of this, the voltage also changes. Start our connection first. Take an Arduino, then breadboard. So first, we are taking the component that are used to make a connection. Here we are using register of 125 ohm. So first rotate this. So this is a component we are going to use in our project. So let's connect them. So basically potentiometer has three legs. Uh, First one you can see the terminal 1, terminal 2 and vapor. So the first leg connected to the 5 voltage. Then the middle leg connected to the analog 0. The third pin connected to the ground. Now for the LED, the cathode connected to the negative terminal, and here we are giving the common connection to the ground and inlet connected 29 is PWM pulse width modulation. So this is our connection for our project. Now moving towards code. So here I already write the code. Now I am explaining the code. So here pin 9 is assigned for the LED. The variable value shows the potentiometer reading. Then void setup, which runs only once. A potentiometer pin A0 is set as input and LED pin is set as output. Here, serial monitor is started to display the value, reading potentiometer values, uh, here, reading potentiometer values. The value ranges from 0 to 1023 depending on the knob position. So, by using the map function, Arduino reads 0 to 1023 from the potentiometer, but the LED brightness works from 0 to 255. So, this converts the value into brightness range. It is used to change the LED brightness according to the potentiometer value. So, first run the code. So, basically, in this code, we use the serial communication. The important part of this code is map function, where we use the value and we are sorry we are using here pulse width modulation pin. So for this, the range is 0 to 1023. So we are getting output of this project from the LED brightness or dimmer or brighter. So we used here the range between 0 to 255. Now let's start the simulation. So this is how our project will work. When I increase or rotate the knob, it changes the electrical value and the LED will bright or dim. So hence, in this project, I successfully control the brightness of a single LED using potentiometer and Arduino. This project helps in understanding analog input and PWM output in Arduino. Thank you.